This is usually my tool belt setup when I'm working around the house. I use suspenders because if I just use a belt, the tools are very heavy and they pull my belt down and it's not comfortable. So this is a tool belt suspender. This is the system I prefer to use. Now there's a heavy duty belt here. You can insert your tool belt strap through the belt, or you can insert the belt through the tool belt strap. But if you want to use only one, or if you don't want to use your suspender because your tools are just a few, it takes time to remove the tool belt from the tool bag from the belt. So I invented this hack. It's a hook for the so if you want to use just the belt, you can hang this on your belt. But if you want to use a suspender, you can hang this in your tool belt suspender. And sometimes one tool bag is not enough, you need another one. So instead of inserting the other one in the belt, all you need to do is hang it like that and you're ready to go. And if you don't need two bags, all you have to do is remove one, so you will just be using one. So I'll show you how to make this tool bag hook so that you can easily place it there if you need another bag, or you can easily remove it if you don't need two bags but just one. So sometimes you need more bags. You can easily use what I will show you in putting more bags, maybe two more behind you. But right now I only need two bags. By the way, this is an electrician's tool belt. I usually do this when I'm working on lights, switches and other electrical stuff around the house. I don't need this one because the setup is different. This is for carpentry work. This is for electrician's work or electrical work. So you need more pliers, screwdrivers. Whereas the carpenter's tool bag is designed to carry hammers, square, nails, screws, tape measure, etc. So it's different from the electrician's tool bag, which I use when I'm working on, as I've said, electricity or electrical stuff. So it's easy to make this. Just measure this one from here to here and get a strip of plastic, preferably PVC. Extend it on one side about 1 inch to 1.5 inches, on the other side too. So there's one strip there. You insert the strip inside the belt opening, and then you have another part. I'll draw the part with you, so I'll draw the part for you so that you'll understand. So one strip goes inside here. The other part looks like this, and I'll show you how to make it. So that's the opening of your belt bag. This is the portion where you insert your belt. So get a strip 1.5 inch long there, 1.5 inch longer there. So it will be something like this. The width should be about around 1 inch, the width. So, and then curve it. get your heat gun and then curve it. So the curve should be like this. Okay, to accommodate the shape of your body. The reason why it has to be curved is that your sides, your front, your back are curved. So this is what I mean. It should be curved like that. Okay. So the other part looks like this. Get the identical size, so it will be like that. But then put some sort of a tongue or extension over that. Now, after cutting this with your angle grinder or multi-tool, you have to fold it here. This is the fold area. So that's the fold area. It will look something like this already. This will now be the hook. So see, there's a fold. This used to be pointed there, but since I folded it, it now points down. And then there should be a curve like that. So you insert one strip inside the belt opening and then sandwich the belt loop, this cloth area, with the two parts made, and then use small nuts and bolts so that it won't hurt you at your sides, and so that your skin won't be scratched when you swing your arms that way, supposing you want to hammer something. So again, that's it. So the cloth area for the belt is sandwiched between the strip you made and this other part. This is the fold area. Fold it with your heat gun. So now you have a hook there. So you can easily hook your belt bag into your belt or suspender, which has a belt too. Okay, time for coffee. Oh yeah. To review, put this inside the belt loop and then position this one on top, and then put nuts and bolts to hold it in place. So after putting nuts and bolts, it should look something like this. Okay, time for more coffee. Oh yeah. By the way, this is optional. I put a washer made of PVC tubing, about 1/4 inch thick. One here and one there, so that you won't be squeezing the cloth tightly. There would be an opening here, because you might tear the cloth if you squeeze it too tightly. So there's an opening here. There's some sort of play, see? There's a play here so that you won't tear the cloth or leather, depending on what you bought.